How to redeem your Fortnite V-Bucks card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can redeem your Fortnite V-Bucks card. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now in order to redeem your Fortnite V-Bucks card, it's very simple. Just open up your browser and you have to go to this URL, of which I'll leave the link in the description box. Just tap on it, paste this URL called epicgames.com/fortnite/us/V-Bucks card. Now I'll make sure to leave a direct link down in the description box so you can go ahead and check that out. Once you come to this specific page, you can see over here it says redeem your V-Bucks card. So as you can see, cards purchased at retail stores are redeemed here. So just tap on the get started button. As you tap on the get started button, basically if you have an account, you can just go ahead and try to log in with your account as well. So I'll just go ahead and then first of all sign into one of my accounts. Once I sign into my account, it'll ask me and take me to a page where I can basically redeem my code. So let me just go ahead and wait until the page actually loads up. So as you can see, it says alright, let's do this. Turn over your card and scratch off the security covering and enter your code or your pin, and then just tap on the next button. And once you do so, you would have successfully redeemed your gift card on Fortnite. That's all it takes to redeem your Fortnite gift card. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.